What I do is just like you know, you know what I mean? Like,
Hey, what's going on? So, just picked up this little thing. It's a 1/18 scale brushless, or brushed basher. It's called Desert Rush, as you can see, from RC Pro. It's a Canadian company. I'm gonna take a look at it here. From what I understand, it's pretty kick-ass. Alright, just get the camera in the right spot here. Get a little knife out. Dos. And voila. Alright, let's see what's in here. Oh, it's got a charger. Got a charger and some parts. A little star key. More body clips, a little screwdriver. Ooh. Let go. Let go. Alright. Instructions. Nice. There we go. Decent. Nice little rig. Oil-filled shocks. Adjustable. Full metal dips. Full metal drivetrain. Nice. Spare tire. Just looks like, oh no. Got the little beadlock wheel on there you can put on this one. So that's pretty rad. Does 30K. Nice little remote. That's what do we got? Dual rate, throttle rate, steering trim, steering reverse, throttle reverse. Nice. Decent, feels pretty good too. Not too small. It's not like these. These feel pretty small. That fits nice. Nice little ergonomic thumb hole. Takes 3 AAAs. No foams. It's got a, let's see if we can get the light right away. Got a motor fan, or motor fin cool. Decent. Ooh, those could be tricky to get out. Let's take it apart here. Forceps are always handy for stuff like this. There's 2. There's 3. 4. Alright. Lego. Lego. Yeah, so that fully comes off then. Nice. Decent little cage. Right on. Try it out. See how this hooks. Oh, it's pinned in. It's nice. The battery's pinned in. Let's check out what kind of battery this is. What do we got? 850. Nice. 2-cell. It's good size. That'll roll for a while. Nice little servo box there. Groovy, man. See the metal drive shafts. Nice. From what I understand, this company didn't make anything cheap. They didn't want to have a cheapy frickin' rig. So the guy was saying kids buy these and bash them pretty hard, and they can stand up to what a child can do, like 3-4 years old. So I'm guessing this is going to be a pretty fun little rig. Doesn't weigh too much. Oh, that's way heavier. Let's see here. Let's put the battery back in. Yeah, the Gladiator's heavier, and that's just under 600 grams. So I'm guessing this thing's about a pound. Right on. Looks like it's got some lights on it too. Yeah, cool. Little buggy lights. I don't know if it has any rear lights. Don't think so. Groovy. This game, it was right there. $139.99 Canadian. So whatever that equals to American, probably 110 bucks. Rad little unit. There's a brushless one, brushless one, and it is orange and black, I think. Looks pretty sweet. Does 60k an hour. I'm like, I don't want 60k, and it's 200 bucks Canadian. So it's probably like 150 American, somewhere around there. I was thinking this is like perfect. So I'm gonna have to check it out, charge up the battery, see how she do. But yeah, there's a little unboxing. RC Pro Desert Rush. Groovy.
Peace.